Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time you're watching this. MK Exchange Vendor is right here again before you. You can see I receive Amazon gift card, I exchange gift card. If you have a gift card, we can bring it at MK Exchange Vendor. Our rate is very sweet, and then fast, reliable vendor. You can also see I receive paper funds, any amount, even £1 to the collector. You see, this is proxy. We say quality proxy that can help you to earn this from any survey site. You can also see paper funds, any amount, like I said earlier on, bring them. You can see the kind of transaction we've held and many, a lot more that I cannot bring them. You can see quality proxies. It is MK Vendor. All kudos to MK Exchange Vendor. We say a good proxy. And then you can also see different kind of transaction. Bring them. If it is Fanitech credit, I'm on here. You can bring them in. We say them nyafu. You can see this is what our proxy does. It's help you to And finally, this is the face behind MK Exchange Vendor. Thank you all.